Simply sprinkle cinnamon on a piece of paper towel just like I do. It may seem simple, but what happens next will completely surprise you. With just 2 more simple ingredients, you will create something that changes the air in your home, keeps insects away, and fills the room with a scent that is both fresh and relaxing. Let's start with the first step. Take a sheet of paper towel, place it on a flat surface, and gently smooth it out with your hands. Now for the first important ingredient, cinnamon. Take a spoonful and sprinkle it well in the center of the paper towel. Important, leave about 2 fingers width from the edges so we can fold it later without spilling anything. Now add the second ingredient, bay leaves. 2 will be enough. Cut them into small pieces and spread them evenly over the cinnamon. Bay leaves are widely known for their calming energy, air-purifying properties, and their effect as an insect repellent. Comment below which city you are watching from. Let's see where everyone is from. In fact, I learned this tip from a wise aunt who lives in the countryside. She never buys commercial air fresheners anymore because this natural mix works better, smells better, and is 100% free of chemicals. Now carefully fold the paper towel over the ingredients. Fold one side in, then the other, as if you were wrapping a secret message. Then tuck in the ends to seal the mixture. You will have a well-wrapped packet full of fragrance and purpose. Comment yes if you want to try this at home. Here comes the third ingredient. This will surprise you. Toothpaste, exactly. Take a small amount and spread it on the top side of the folded paper towel. Toothpaste helps to intensify the scent, gives a refreshing touch, and even acts as a mild antiseptic. Any brand or type you have at home will work. With everything ready, take a glass jar. Make sure it's glass and place the fragrant packet inside. Leave a small piece of the paper towel sticking out of the jar like a wick. Carefully light the end. Do not use a big flame, just enough to let it smoke slowly. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I would love to know what you think. What happens now is where the real magic begins. As the end begins to smoke, it releases a gentle aromatic smoke. This is not just any smoke. It is loaded with the natural oils of cinnamon, bay leaf, and the unexpected boost from the toothpaste. The scent is warm, clean, calming, and best of all, it naturally keeps insects like mosquitoes and flies away. It works like a powerful and long-lasting incense. No artificial sprays, no harsh chemicals. Just 3 ingredients that work perfectly together. If you enjoyed this trick, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with a friend. See you tomorrow with another powerful tip. Until then, stay safe and inspired.